what I was expecting. Okay. Welcome to La Vida Rosa. I'm your host Pinky, and today I'm going to be reviewing this Beyonce inspired wig. So what did I really think about this wig? You have to stay tuned to see. And also guys, this video is a part of a 3-part series where I'm going to be reviewing 3 blonde bombshell wigs. So if you would like to see more blonde wigs, the links to those videos will be down below, so make sure you go check those out. You might as well subscribe. So without further ado, let's get into this Beyonce wig. Okay, so this wig is from ebonyonline.com. This is the Zury sister wig Beyond Your Imagination ultra long 40-inch in the style Beyond and in the color Be Blonde. So I think we all know just by the name and the color who this wig was inspired by. Beyonce. Okay, obviously I can just tell by the pictures and by the name. They couldn't put the whole Beyonce because they probably would get sued. This is kind of one of the main reasons why I want to try this one, just to see how it looks on. And this is a lot of hair. This is 40 inches worth of hair, and the color is like a strawberry blonde color. Like, to me, that's 30. This color right here is 30, and then this color right here is obviously 613, and it kind of looks like it's ombre, but really it's just like 30 on top and then blonde on the bottom, giving it an ombre effect, as you can see. So and the hair itself feels very soft, and I really haven't gotten too much tangles just yet, but this is 40 inches of non-human hair, so I already know it's coming. There's 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and 2 adjustable straps. It's like an L part lace front, and it says here that you can apply heat to it up to 400 degrees, and there's also baby hair. So without further ado, I'm just gonna go ahead and try this on. So let's go ahead and put this on, see what this is all about. I don't know what I was expecting. Okay, I kind of wish they would have went more 27 instead of 30. Okay, so here's how it looks in the front. This is like past my waist. My waist is here. It's past my waist. I'm 5'6". And here's how it looks in the back. And it's like, well, this is my butt. It's well past my butt. But as y'all can see, it's clearly two-tone. I think I would have liked it a little bit better if it was more ombre, to be honest. Honestly, I'm not too impressed. I just don't like the fact that these colors don't blend together. Like, I really wish they blended these 2 together. As far as the texture, I love the texture. But if it were like, if you had some of this like highlighted throughout, I think that would be a little bit better. I feel like this wig in black would be like way more like boom. I feel like I would love this wig so much more if it was just all one color, to be honest. Very off-brand Beyonce, and maybe that it just looks like this on me because this girl is rocking it. Okay, she rocking it. Girl, you rocking this hair. You killing it. Now I'm gonna try to do the ponytail thing just to see, because I did like that on her. I thought that was really cute on the model. So I'm gonna try the ponytail. Ooh, this hair, child. Ooh, there's a lot of hair. It's thick, but it's not too thick, and you'll be able to see in this ponytail that it's just the hair, the texture of the hair makes it look like it's more hair than what it actually is. So like, as you can see, it's really not that much hair. It's just the texture. And the wig has baby hair, but I feel like they're like no good because this color is just blending too much in with my skin. I think that's the problem. Like, I just don't like I feel like it's clashing with my skin tone. I'm gonna add some concealer to the part. Maybe that'll help me like that better. I think I could get with this in ponytail form. I ain't mad at it. I really, it wasn't my favorite. I ain't gonna lie. I don't like it straight down. Maybe if I play with it a little bit more, or maybe if I cut some of this off, maybe I could work with it a little bit better. I don't know. Okay, so like I mentioned before, this wig is from ebonyline.com and it is $32.99. I'm not getting too much shedding, and it still just feels like a nice grade of synthetic hair. The hair fiber is Futura. As far as this color, if I had to grade this actual wig color and everything, I would give it a C, because I really don't like this color. I don't like this color combo at all. It makes it hard to style, in my opinion. I guess it gives you very off-brand generic Beyonce vibes, but not really. It don't really give you Beyonce for real. I've had wigs that really gave you more Beyonce than this wig does. No shade. So overall, I feel like this wig would look better in a different color, but because I got this color, it kind of throwing me off of, you know, the actualities. The hair is really nice. The texture is really cute as well. It's just the color, guys. It's just the color and the part that I don't like. Let me know what you guys think down below. Maybe you have a different opinion from me, or maybe you can give me some tips on how I could have styled this differently. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.